It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my FabFitFun box. It finally came in. This box is actually very heavy. So we're going to get right into what's in my box. I'm not going to delay it. We got quite a bit to get through. So this is a seasonal box, guys. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal lifestyle box. They have various products in here. It could be skincare, lotions, makeup, beauty, home items like you can get pillows, blankets, throws, candles, all kind of stuff in this box. So each season they have categories where you could customize your box. I fully customize my box, so we're going to look at everything that I picked. I am an annual member to FabFitFun, so I pay about $219.99 for the year. So we're going to get right into our fall box, and I'm going to show you guys what I picked for my selections, how I customized it, and some of them I didn't like every category, but I did pick something that I at least felt like I could use. So you know, some of the stuff I've been with them a while, so I'm pretty used to some of the options, and I may have already received them, and I don't want to pick the same thing again, you know what I mean? So let's get into this heavy box and get right in here. They always have some stuff in here or some kind of thing about whatever the promotion is for the month or something, but like these free boxes and stuff like that, like these little scratch off cards, and there's always something they're selling in here, like the Hello Fresh or something like that. They're always in every single box. So yeah, we're gonna push that to the side, and we're gonna come out with our first item. So for the first customization option, I selected, we have a KitchenAid product. So I actually went with the KitchenAid loaf pan. I thought this would come in very handy around here, because I could put my little cornbread, or if I want to do you guys do the beer breads? I like the beer bread mixes, and I like to do them also in the fall. So I selected this pan because I don't know where mine is, or did it break or something? Yeah, it probably did. So that is my first selection for customization 1, and the loaf pan is valued at $29.99. So that is my first item. So let's go to my second customization. I selected for my second item the slippers. So I got the Muck Luck slippers here. Let me pull them out and I'll show you guys. And I like these because I always like replacing my slippers, and because they get all messed up. You be wearing them around the house, but I thought these are really cute, and I like the Muck Luck brand anyway. This is their Kersey Slide and Irish Cream. I do have size medium. These are valued at $49 for the slippers. So they're pretty thick too. They have a pretty thick sole, but this will be like so nice and comfortable in the winter time. So I really like that. So I selected this for my customization for group number 2. So let's go on to what I selected for number 3. My third selection was the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. Yes. So I wanted to try this one out. I've never used the Man Eater one before. Of course, it's in the color black. Let me just pop it out real quick so I can just show you outside of the case here. I'm not going to open it up per se, but I at least wanted to show it to you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull that out. Maybe. We have it in here pretty good actually. So this is the Man Eater Mascara. So I think this is supposed to really like thicken your lashes up and make them like really pop. So we shall see. So I got this to try out, and I'll see if I like it. I probably will. But yeah, I like mascara, so yeah. So the next item that I selected for the fourth customization is this product here, Home Court. I never heard of this before, but the information from FabFitFun, they said this is a Courtney Cox brand, and I didn't know that she had a brand. So this is a room deodorant. Apparently, this CC room deodorant is valued at $45, guys, and this is supposed to trap and absorb the odor causing molecules in the air. And it does have a fragrance. We have, it just says CC, but I think it has some, I want to see what it smells like. So I'm just going to open this so I can spray it. But yeah, it says basically you just use it like, I guess, air freshener from what I'm understanding. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's like a man scent, like the cedar wood you smell right away. It's like a really man fragrance smell. Yeah, it smells like a man. With cologne, but you know, like cedar wood. You guys know what the cedar wood. It's like a heavy cedar wood smell. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, mixed with it like a tobacco smell. It smells like to me. But yeah, I selected this to. I like room deodorants. I like to deodorize my rooms. As I'm coughing because I sprayed this stuff. Oh my god. So I like to freshen up my room, guys. And I thought this would be a good selection for me because sometimes, you know, you cook stuff and it's like the scent is just lingering in the house and I can't stand it. So I'm either burning candles or spraying something. So I just figured I would try this. So again, this was valued at $45 for the Home Court CC room deodorizer. So let's go to our next item that I selected. So now we're up to customization number 5. So for number 5, I went with the Bush Balm. That is a very interesting name. So this is the Bush Balm Ingrown Hair Oil. And I went with this. Let's see what it looks like. I figured this would come in handy like with ingrown hairs, because even when you wax or shave, you sometimes get those ingrown hairs, and I just figured this would kind of help. How you take this off? So this is what it looks like once you take the cap off, and you use this on your ingrown hairs. This, guys, was valued at $26 for this Bush Balm Ingrown Hair Oil. So I figured that would kind of help, you know, with some of, you know, the ingrown hair. So I wanted to try this out. So let's go to my next item. My next item in here. So for the next grouping, I went with the neck and shoulder wrap. So this is valued at $65, and this is what it looked like. You hear the beads or something in here moving around. But I thought this was good because I think you could heat this up in a microwave if I remember correctly. Yes, microwave for 30 seconds, do not exceed 90. And this would be good for, like, you know, people over 40, y'all understand. Everything hurt when you wake up, so I figured this would work for like that for my neck and shoulder area, especially if you go to the gym and you like kind of have a heavy weightlifting day, or you did a little too much. This, I figured, will come in handy with kind of helping relieve some of those achy, sore areas. So I wanted to get this. So this is valued at $65. So that's what I selected for my customization for number 6. So let's go to my next one. So for number 7 customization, guys, I went with the Kate Spade Rose Gold sunglasses. And this is the Kate Spade Emmeline Rose Gold Aviator glasses. So yes, them right here. As you guys can see, they look fabulous on me, of course. So I love sunglasses, so I couldn't pass up getting some extra sunglasses. So that's what I selected for customization number 7. So my very last customization, guys, I went with the Hanky Panky set of 3 travel the packing cubes, because I needed some more. I had one that I used for a while and it was kind of getting beat up, so this kind of is perfect for me. So they're in this what do they call this, mauve color. So this is the large one, and then they have the zipper here, and you have 3 different size shapes and sizes. So this is like the medium one, and then this is the smaller one. But I do love using these in my suitcases. I feel like it keeps me organized, and I thought this was perfect for me. And I did do an add-on or 2. Yeah, I did an add-on. So I did an add-on. I did grab some of these purifying foot pads to kind of help pull out the toxins. I was been looking for these for a while, and like my TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I haven't come across them, so I just got them because I seen them on there with it as an add-on. So guys, the last thing I picked up a mystery bundle, so I'm gonna show that to you. It's right on the side of me here, and this is what they sent me. So let's go with the bigger thing here. So it looks like I have a throw. Yes, this is the Sun Dream throw. This is Dawn multicolor stripe white bag. So I got a throw, and it got the little furries on it and the little fuzzy thingies there. And then it also came with this mystery bag. We got, look at this, a zippy wallet. Oh, I like this. Look at that. So this is perfect though, because I was thinking I needed to get like a card holder for when you have like your little smaller bags. You don't want to carry much. I just wanted something to put my money and my cards in. This is perfect. So this is made by Larkin Ives, and I believe this is like a vegan leather. Yeah, I think this is like a vegan kind of leather thing here. So I've never heard of Larkin Eyes, but you know, if you guys are familiar, you let me know. So you got enough room to put a little cash in there, no coins, and your cards. So ID, credit cards, you're good to go, and you can put this in your little small bag and be out the door. So this is perfect for me. So guys, this Avant Shea Butter Hydrolonic Vitamin B3 Sea Water Sweet Almond. This is a night cream. So this is for the eye and face area. I am familiar with the Avant brand. I have never used this particular product though. So we got like a little skincare. So that was like a mixed mystery bag with the things in there. But guys, that is my FabFitFun box for the fall 2024, fully customized by, you know, me. And I just wanted to show you guys what was in my box. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already checked out FabFitFun, or you didn't get this one, this season's box, you can always go to FabFitFun website and sign up there if you're interested in this kind of quarterly subscription. But I really do like getting this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.